tell me. I'm sorry I called to wake you up. I know it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I need your help. I had the dreams again. Okay. I'm trying. I really am. I don't know why I'm having these problems, but yes, they are real problems. They're real problems. I don't know why you don't understand that. This is real. Like, I've not been faking. You know, it's been 3 years, but I just need some help. Okay. Thank you. I'll be sure to tell everybody else how useless piece of shit you are. I got it. Thank you. Okay, gotta do something to get my mind off everything. I think I don't know, I think I might clean or play Overwatch or something. Okay, I don't remember ever doing this. No, I mean, that's interesting. Okay. Alright, yeah, I'll put a bookmark in that. Yeah, okay. Don't remember playing that. I already have one, but I can. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh, look at that. Two. It's got two. It separates it. Oh my. No. Okay, first off, sorry anybody had to see that, but I'm not the only person who goes through this. Air fryers are a big detriment to males between 21 and 70, apparently. I don't know, weird. But it's a big problem, it's an epidemic. And research has shown that also they are about number 3 in assholes of the United States of America. They're right. They've just edged out the people who bring their yoga mats everywhere, even in stores. Also on the top 10 list of people who are the most annoying, air fryer people are AFs. They're about number 5. First place is, of course, people who are vegans and claim to be vegans constantly. We get it, we understand, you're saving the planet, got it. Anyway, but it's an epidemic. It also affects females as well, or any other gender. Anybody who does not even want to even use it. You know, I didn't even remember at that point, that was a year ago, that I've even used my stove. That's sad. That thing just, it rusted, and you don't even want to see my outside grill. I don't even know what grilling is. And even thinking about air fryers is starting to get me to. But anyway, yeah. But the saddest part is, this problem it wasn't even a thing. Like, sure, there's a bunch of people who are admitting to this problem, but there's the memes and everything of that nature. There was one individual who was important enough, who was strong enough, willing enough, and also had the same problem as us to solve that. And here's our president.
Hi, my name is Jim Segway, and I'm the founder of the AFA, Air Fryers Anonymous organization. Since our development in 2004, we've helped thousands of people overcome their addiction to their air fryers. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to this 100% true testimony. My name's Vanilla Bizcotti. I bought my air fryer about a year ago, and I never really noticed a problem. I love my air fryer. Anything that I could cook in there, I would cook in there. But it got to the point where I was trying to cook everything in there. Oatmeal, cheese. I wouldn't even take it out of the package. I would just pour it in there. You know, my mom used to tell me, if it fits in the basket, we cook it. If it doesn't fit, we don't eat. My mom never said that, but I mean, that's I just made that up. It was actually my good friend that told me about the AFA, and now I use my air fryer more reasonably.
You've heard the testimonials, so please, if you or anyone else you know needs help with this troubling issue, please feel free to call 1-800-NONFRYY. That's 1-800-NON-FRY with an extra Y. You get what I mean. You know the numbers. I don't care. You call.